What is going on YouTube? Welcome back. What is going on, lads? Welcome back for a new video, and today let's get into it. Let's get right into it. So what are we looking for? The Nasdaq today. Let's take a look on the news feed first. Remember, we spoke yesterday in last session that at 8 o'clock we got FOMC rate statement, FOMC US rate decision, and very important, so we might get choppy because people are going to wait for these numbers, but we're going to see if we can take small stabs, small trades here. So let's look at the higher time frames. As you can see on the hourly chart, we have been pushing ever since the US presidential elections. We have been pushing nice and strong. We're at 21,000 officially. Now we're pulling back. So basically, if we go on the daily chart here, we flip on the daily chart. Let me see. Normally that's, or I think it is. Yeah, that's the all-time highs. Those are the all-time highs. I think we might try to push into it. We might want to push into the all-time highs here, but I don't know why, for some reason on TradingView the all-time highs sit up here. But whatever. Let me see, is it? Yeah, see? Ah, okay. I got it. I apologize for that. I should probably turn off the messages. That would suck. Okay. NQZ4. We need to move into the contracts. We need to move to the accordingly because this is just ridiculous right now. 3 minutes before open, 3 minutes before market open. Alright, so basically, let's get into it. We're pulling back on the 15-minute chart. Hourly chart is also wicking a little bit. Let's see what we got. Okay. $21,003, 21,004. Yeah, so 2 more minutes until market opens. Remember, we got already the most important news at 14:30 came out. Now we're waiting for that 8 o'clock, which I will record the session because it will be insane. It will be exciting. Lots of action, lots of volatility. Let's get into it. We are nice and strong on the 50k evaluation account. Let's get it to 3k and pass and start making money. So, I don't know if I want to take a long, but I would, I don't know, it's just, might take just 2 contracts here. It might just flush down. 21,000 key level. The QQQ, guys, 32 seconds till open. The QQQ, however, is gapping up once again, so we might just flush down to fill it because we're at a interesting level. 21k. Ten seconds to market open. View up is all the way down there. 20,947. See what happens. Let's let it process all these buy and sell orders. So let it do its thing. We're at the high of days here, guys. High of day. Gonna switch on the hourly chart for a better view. Low of day is all the way down there. We're making new highs on the day. Move to the daily chart. We really want that all-time high. We're pushing for it. Like, from 21,000, it moved only 30 points. I mean, 30 points, not bad, but let's wait for a setup. Daily chart is moving strong. 10-minute chart looks, it's certainly trending upwards. That's 100%. Retest the previous resistance or slap back down. As you can see, we went up and now probably, let's see if we slap it. Wicks. Let's keep the risk as small as we possibly can for today. We want to partake in that 8 o'clock action. We want to wait, but we're not going to take trades at 8 o'clock. I don't exactly want to take part in any trades. Like, I don't want to take trades on the dot. As soon as the news come out, I go long or short. No, we wait for the actual move. Because FOMC has a weird way to move the market, guys. Has a very strange way to move the market. We got a pivot all the way up there, 21,130, all the way 130s there. This was a good setup. Right here. At 9 o'clock. This happened at 9 o'clock, this happened pre-market. Yeah, QQQ keeps ripping here. There's not much for us to do at the moment, so let's be patient. Yeah, this just doesn't want to stop. It's truly trending. I never seen this prior FOMC. Usually before FOMC comes, it is extremely choppy and unfavorable. But right now, look at this shit. Look at this bad boy. It's just absolutely ridiculous. Look at it. Let's be patient. Costs us nothing. I'm gonna move to a trading view here. We just flip long on the bands here, but goddamn. Goddamn, bro. I just You gotta love it. Okay, I see. I said I'm tempted to get short here, but I said I'm not going to do that again, so I'm going to stick to the rules and I will not do that again. I'll wait for a setup for a continuation. That's what we're looking for. We take the opportunity and then we leave. We make money, we leave. That's it. I'm going to move it to 3 micros here because I don't think... By the way, guys, small tip. If you cannot trade the micros correctly and make money with it, then you have no business with the minis. Just so you know. The minis have to be traded extremely carefully, especially on the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq is quite an aggressive instrument to trade. Definitely suits my style, but it's about trading it responsibly. I like to see this pullback where we found initial support. Don't know if we're gonna keep pushing. Maybe we want that pivot up there. Let's see where that pivot is. 130s. 130s there, boys. No news. Oh god. Come on. Remember, we're gapping to the downside, so I'm gonna just take two micros because of the volatility. I'm gonna take the long, stop it in the 20s, just buy it at the 52s. Recent candle, take me out if it goes below the 30s. I think that's a good risk to reward. Let it run 60s. 60s or higher, maybe 100s even. There we go. Moving up my stop in profit, 41s. Give me filled up there to the 60s. Go! Come on, don't do that. Give me filled. Get me filled, 60s. Come on, 60s, boy, 60s. Dude, don't dump on me now. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh Lord. Oh Lordy Lord. Oh Lord, we were actually close. Ah. God damn. Should have taken the 55s. Yeah. Wow, that was literally 3 points away. Classic. Classic. But hey, I'm happy. How much we're up on the day? $36. We're actually up on the account. Let's go. Yeah, look at this. Oh my god, now it's gonna go 60s. Oh Lord, look at it. Good Lord. Good Lord, come on. Damn, yeah, classic. I should learn to keep my stop, like, seriously, like, I have to do about this. I have to do something about that stop. I have to, like, move it possibly to break even to maybe 5 points into profit at this point, because I obviously moved it a little bit too much. Okay. We took the setup and we actually executed it. Our execution was not bad. It's just the stop that I don't like. So let's see here. 1 minute and 9 seconds. $36 after fees and commissions. That's sick. Oh my god, this just keeps ripping. It just keeps going higher and higher. It doesn't want to stop. Can't stop, won't stop, they said. Can't stop, won't stop. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do that. I'm not gonna get short at this level. I'm not doing this, dude. I think we won that pivot point. Safe to say, we're gonna close the news feed because we don't need it anymore. We got FOMC at 8 o'clock. So tune in for 8 o'clock action. Rate statement, US interest rate decision. Come on. It steadily moves up. It looks good for a pullback to me, but I'm not sure about that. If we can go back into the 50s and keep going higher into the 100s, I'll look to take a long if we get back down to the 50s. I don't like this stop out. The fact that look at this, guys. It literally took me out by a point, and then it just classic, dude. Damn, I should learn to keep my stop. Exasperating, gotta love it, classic. But yeah, sometimes this is what trading is. Sometimes it is what it is. Oh my god, what is this? Oh my god, it just keeps going higher. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, we won that pivot. We won that pivot. I can guarantee you if I'm getting long here, it will just it will just flop on me. It will just like plummet. QQQ's pivot 5/10. I just don't see, I literally do not see any level of whatsoever. Let me see higher time frames. Do we have anything? Do you have anything? We have resistance into the 40s. All-time highs. Hard to see this, man. God damn it! I'm still upset about that trade, man. I could have done it. I could have crushed it. Damn, dude. Either my fearful ass or my greed. Not sure what it was. Could have been a mix of both. But yeah, this is it. Yeah, both. I would like to play at the pullback. This looks good. Perhaps. I'm gonna try getting short here. Stop perhaps into the 88s. Yeah, no, it just doesn't want to. There we go. Brutal mistake. We're down $1. $1 on the day. It's fine. It's fine with that. Basically gave back what I made earlier. See, this is why you don't fade the train. This is why you always go with it. But man, this is hard to see, man. FOMO. Let's avoid that. Let's try to avoid that. I'm just gonna sit here and wait for a proper pullback. Okay, this looks like it wants to pull back. So let's wait for it to establish something, some structure. Like, come on, dude. For real? "13 minutes into the session, boys." Hard to see, dude. Look at these, man. Look at this. Want to see this flop back down to 65s, at least. 50 seconds till the new 15-minute candle appears. Oh my goodness. Yeah, there's the pullback. There it is, 60s, 65s. '60s, pullbacks into the 60s. I'm gonna buy, if we get above the 75s, stop down there. I'm actually gonna take these off right now because I need some confirmation. Maybe pull back down there into the 50s. That looks like a good setup to me. That looks juicy. Looks really good. I'm gonna set it at 3. We can go down there 55s, 50s. Like at the recent resistance here, 55s, 50s. There we go. That's the middle of the range here, middle of this 15-minute candle. There it is, 55s. 50s, 50s down there. 2-minute chart. 2-minute chart looks very good. There it is, 50s. There it is, 50s. Now we're gonna wait for a new candle. Nope. It's gonna fill me before filling that one, so no, I don't want it. Gonna take it off. Just wicking, just doing weird stuff right now. I'm gonna get long here. Looks good. Push up there. I'll take it 85s. I'm not gonna get greedy. Now let's be patient. I'm afraid I know this type of pattern where it's like, I'm gonna discuss this in a second. It's like I know it, but it in the same time is like, it's hard, man. Alright, getting stopped out, 54 bucks. Down about 58 on the day. See if I can re-enter here. Gonna try to re-enter. There it is. I think this is the actual move right here. There it goes. Maybe put a buy order there, you know, at 95s. Sell order actually. This doesn't look clean. It looks scary. And I know I shouldn't be in it. See what happens. Let's be patient. God damn. FOMC. Let's be very careful about this. Okay, stop me out there. Take me out for a $89 loss. That is completely fine. We're still rocking and rolling. No reason to get upset. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Chop. Yeah, it's choppy. Let's see where I can enter. What is going on? I think I put my stop too tight. Stop too tight. Stop also too tight. Didn't get it. Didn't let it to breathe enough. $15-minute chart looks good for a push. Wait for the new candle. I'm gonna try to get long. Push up there 95s. If I get stopped out again, I'm gonna get out. Because I feel that this is ridiculous. What the hell was that? On the tick. Good lord. Yeah, take me out. We're gonna then, I think I'm gonna get out because this is just nasty and I don't want to stay any longer. Yeah, it's fine. $147 loss on the day. It's completely fine. We're okay. We're still rocking and rolling. We're still in profit. Performance trades. Yeah, I don't like this. This is not to be played around with. This was a good trade. If I could have crushed it, that would have been sick. Yeah. It's tough, man. On days like this, look at this wick. We're flipping kind of bearish on the bands here. Even crazier. 5-minute chart. We might now get in a range. Until FOMC, we might just range like insane. I'm gonna try getting long again, but I just don't trust it at this point. Get long at the 75s and then for a push to the 95s. Where does your stop? 57s? Not logical, so I wouldn't enter here. I wouldn't enter here, to be honest. Down about 147 on the day. It's completely fine. My daily loss limit is about 200. So we're good. Yeah, see, I'm gonna wants to break the all-time highs here. However, me trying to get long here. Not responsible. We can just double top, get stuck here, and just back down. But on the 50-minute chart, looks good for a push to me. So try to avoid revenge trading, because it's very hard when you go on a red streak. It is extremely hard not to revenge trade, you know. But we're here in the long run. We're here to play this game for the long run. Yeah, see, there it goes, 95s. There it was. Yeah. Yeah. There it goes, 100s. Pushing hundreds. I mean, this is just nasty. Stop was too tight. I literally got again. Bro, what the hell is this? Again? Stopped on the wick. Stopped on the wick. Stopped. Nah, this one was good. This one's good. And then it just kept going higher. Oh my goodness. This was a run of stops, to be honest. This was a whole stop run. 2100s, maybe we get some resistance. Maybe, but I don't want to get short, like I said. It's just really strong today. It's just nasty. How much are we totally down here? 147. We're still good. We're still up 111, so no problem. Oh my god, man. This is sickening to watch. It's hard. Like, what do you do here? Jesus. Good lord. What do you do in this cluster here? Oh my. Wow. Nah, man. What's the ES doing? I'm curious to see what the ES is doing. ES maybe will pull back. SPY is also pulling back. We're at the pivot on the QQQ, so that would be... But I still think that we want that 130 pivot and then pull back. Oh man, this cluster, man. This cluster. This is ridiculous. What is this cluster? Oh my goodness. "30 minutes in, I might walk away and come back at 8 o'clock. $130 is just up there. Hundreds. Actually, I would like to see this pull back into the 90s, and I'll take one last long. If it doesn't work out, like, just I'm out. I'm gonna keep the same 3 micros and let's see what happens. Let's be patient once again. I took some nasty little trades here. This one was a good trade, but moved my stop too close. This one was, I guess, it was a classic stop out. This one was also kind of a bad trade, was stop too tight. And this one was just didn't make sense for me to get in here. Should have went probably 1 micro and probably just put my stop down here. This is freaking insane. Go down there into the 90s and I'll probably get long. That's the place where we sold. Right, we got stuck at, we broke out of it, and now initially that's the play I would like to see, the last and final play before I leave, would be 21,090 retest. There we go. But this is the hundreds. Who knows? We might actually go into the 130s at the pivot. That's the idea that I kind of want to see play out. I always cancel the orders just to make sure there's no like additional extra orders that I left in there. Come on. Test at the 90s. Try it out. Retest the 90s. I don't really know, man. My goodness. Wait for the setup. Retest the 90s. Go up there 130s. Okay, there it is. This looks good for a pullback. At least the way I see it. 95s. 96s. There you go, 95s, come on, dump a little bit more. 90s. I'm gonna try getting long here. Putting the stop up there 125, so technically it's like 25-point move. 28s. There we go. I think we're gonna get this. I don't want to lose any more money, so possibly if we get stuck, just take me out of break even. This might be a possible stop out, so I might just take it. Imagine I take it now and it just goes without me. That would be crazy. Move it up there. And just take it off. Just take me up there, 14s. Oh my god. That's disgusting. Wow. Yeah, boys, I'm gonna walk away. I'll see you guys at 8 o'clock because this is just absolutely insane. It is insane. I'm telling you guys, it's insane. This is crazy. This is crazy what's going on. Okay. No way, it does it again. Oh my god, man. Oh my god. That is disgusting. That is disgusting, dude. Oh my. Sometimes, oh my god, that is absolutely disgusting. Oh my god. 130s, man. 130s, bro. Brother. Oh my god, that is disgusting. That is truly disgusting. Wow. Okay. Sometimes it looks as if it's rigged again. Look at this. Oh my god. What is this? Let me try making this clearer here, perhaps. Look at this. At the tick. That is truly disgusting. One 128s. Look at this. 130s coming up. Yeah, I'm done. I'm gonna come back at 8 o'clock. Down 135 bucks. We're gonna record a session and we're gonna see what happens, how it happens. So we're down just at $135. I mean, not bad considering. Oof. What is this? Oof. Do you finally consider a deeper pullback? Because as you can see on the 5-minute chart, we don't have an actual real strong pullback. Pivot, it's up there. I'm tempted to take a short because we're at the pivot. But let me see the ES. The ES is also, like I said, there's this type of action where it's like this. It's heading up, but it's like it's chopping upside. It's chopped to the upside. Yeah, look at this. Ooh, this is stinky. This is stinky. $130s stuck at that pivot. $16 in commissions and fees. Okay, obviously my trades have not been too careful today, and that's why I'm actually gonna take it out and close this. And I'll see you guys at 8 o'clock. Remember, 8 o'clock FOMC. It's either every Wednesday or Thursday, so so guys, please tune in. Let's see what we can get at 8 o'clock. It will be a lot of volatility, it will be a lot of action. And so we're also not going to leverage too high since it's FOMC. FOMC can be tricky. It can lead you to go FOMO mode. It can go crazy on you. So 135 loss, not bad, not bad. We're still rocking and rolling. We're green. We're nice and green. This is chop. Yeah, it's yeah, I'll see you guys next time. See, we talked about that pivot. Our overall thesis was good. It's just that the price action, I don't think the price action has been very favorable, especially with these wicks. It's been extremely wicky. I want you to notice. Because we're waiting for numbers, because we're waiting for FOMC. Look at this. Wick. These are all stop outs, from which I've also been stopped out today, as you saw. So always walk away. Are you on red? Walk away. We're gonna come back later, see if there's any opportunity to make money, and let's go. I'll see you guys in the next video very soon. Take care. Peace out.